the next few minutes, we'll show you how to enter in the opening balances for your general ledger. Before establishing the opening balances in the general ledger module, the module needs to be activated first. Usually this process is done by the Sage 300 consultant or a partner who installed Sage 300 for you. After the general ledger has been activated, a fiscal year prior to your current fiscal year will be automatically created by the system. We'll use this year to establish our beginning balances for the current year. A source code for opening balances will need to be created to track opening balance entries. Next, enter in the ending balances into period 12 via journal entry. This is done so you can enter and run comparative financial statements. Then run the year-end processing function, which can be found under General Ledger, Periodic Processing. This will establish the beginning balances for the oldest fiscal year. You'll then repeat steps 3 and 4 until you reach the current year. During this process, don't forget to enter the journal entries into period 12. Next, let's see how to establish the beginning balances in the general ledger. Before we can get started, let's take a quick peek at the fiscal calendar. You'll note the current date of our fiscal year is in 2019. For this company file, the current fiscal year was set as 2020, but activating the general ledger module created a new year prior to the current year. In this case, our current year moved 1 year back from 2020 to 2019. We now want to establish the source codes for the beginning balances. So in our GL setup, select source codes. And this can be used as a source code when we enter our journal entries. We will now create a new source code for entering beginning balances. Now that our source code has been set up, we can enter our beginning balances. We'll enter the ending balances for the previous year via journal entry. We'll go into our batch list and create our new batch entry. Next, we'll create the appropriate journal entries in the year 2019 for the 12th period using the source code for beginning balances. And we'll continue doing this for all appropriate accounts for which we want to establish opening balances. Once we've done this, we'll run the year-end function. From the general ledger, select GL Periodic Processing and run Create New Year. Make sure you enter a backup before running this function. Click Process. After running our year-end, the usual year-end procedure will be carried out by our accounting system. The income statement accounts will be closed out, and the appropriate balances will be transferred to retained earnings. And you'll keep repeating this procedure until you reach the current fiscal year. Congratulations! You now know how to enter beginning balances within the general ledger.